My name is Gareth Jones, radiographer in Perthynol Hospital Llanelli. Well, I have a science background. My mum was a science teacher as well. I've done a previous degree, a sports degree, so I have a background again from models to do with anatomy, sports injuries. So it's always been taken interest, and the way my paths have gone. Now is the right time to go back and revisit my interests, and all the staff were welcoming if I needed support or assistance in anything. So it just gave me time to familiarise myself with different equipment, different modalities, spent some time in theatre, fluoroscopy, general, doing portables. So yeah, it's given me a wide variety of tastes of life as a radiographer then. Like anyone, I'd like to develop professionally and possibly expand my skill sets, maybe concentrate on a couple of modalities, possibly doing the cardiac, the fluor side, or possibly into CT, because there's plenty of opportunities here to develop further. So yeah, possibly one of them, maybe in a couple of years. I was here as a student last year, so the transition was slightly easier in that I knew the area, the department, familiar faces as well. Even though it's changed considerably since I was here as a student with new equipment, new room. The preceptorship period did help as well, so I wasn't just thrown into the deep end, so it did ease me into the role, and yeah, knowing that I had people to turn to if I needed support, everyone was willing and happy to help, so yeah, it's been great, so far so good.